Hey everyone, this is Thomas again, popping up on your iPhone or one of your Androids. I'm getting a lot of calls and text messages and talking to people, and you guys are expressing that I'm doing a great job, great videos and all that. And I really want everyone to know that I do sincerely appreciate everything, because all these years I've been doing this, just in this booth, with my phone, by myself, and I kind of feel like I'm all by myself here sometimes, but there's 60,000 subscribers on my MGM Facebook, YouTube subscribers. So I would really like to say thank you for watching, okay? So now, getting back to this 2001 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 with 3 previous owners in mint condition all around this beautiful car. As you can see, it's got the ground package, and I believe that the seller who sold us the car told us that this is an original ground effect package that came with this car. But I'm not sure. But I do see that. I do see the chrome wheels. No stress cracks in the plastic areas as well. The car is just beautiful, unmolested. 3 car previous owners, clean Carfax reports, beautiful leather black interior, guys, automatic overdrive transmission, stock radio, glass black T-tops with the 5.7 liter under the hood. Let me pop that. I want you guys to check out how clean the engine compartment is, and then we're going to go for a ride. Beautiful leather. Beautiful 5.7 liter aluminum motor, original to the car. Super clean under the hood, guys. Beautiful stance. Just very fun to drive, and we will be going for a ride. Look how clean this interior is. Look how nice it is. You got power windows, power locks, excellent door panels, excellent steering wheel, dash, console, stock radio. Let's fire this thing up. As you can see, 36,911 miles on this 3-owner car. Cruise control, factory radio, overdrive transmission, power windows, airbag. You got your manual there, owner's manual. There's for the trunk hatch to be opened. Let's go for a ride now. Okay, we are going to get the seatbelt going. We'll have a little fun. So everything does work on the 01 Camaro Z28. Cold air conditioning, and everything functions like it should. We put the car through inspection here at our service department, and now we can sell it with confidence, and you can buy with confidence. Oh, what a beautiful day. So we are located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We are 25 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport and 45 minutes from Midway Airport. We do welcome you guys to come see the cars for yourself. Remember, these cars are sold with no warranty, so I can just tell you everything about it as I do. I know you guys are busy. I've been in the business for 26 years. You are buying a great vehicle. Oh boy, we're gonna have a little fun. So you got traction control as well. You got the fog light button as well here on the dash right above the radio. Airbag on both sides. Presets for your radio on the steering wheel with your volume control. This thing drives straight down the road, guys. The temperament on the motor trans is excellent. It feels excellent and in great condition. Brakes feel good too. Fluids have been gone through. You will need an oil change very soon on the car, so I just keep that in mind. Not yet, but very soon. All right, let's get some mile per hour here. This thing can smoke the tires whenever you want it. Very good response. All the gauges function. So if you'll get the finance, if your credit score is like 640 to 770, rates start at about 8.25%. You will need 10% down, so about $2,500 down with good credit. Go to MGMClassicCars.com for the credit application. For those of you with a higher credit score than 775 into the 800s, I have a no money down option for you. You will need to call or text me for that information. Buy with confidence, guys. I have over 500 5-star reviews and several hundred transactions on eBay feedback between buying and selling. That does say a lot. We do base everything off our courtesy, our service, our quality, and our honesty. We're going to head back to MGM Classic Cars. I'm going to put the car on the lift. I'm going to show you how clean the underneath is as well, so you guys can refer to my photo shoots and my photos at MGMClassicCars.com. Wow. 65 miles an hour. That quick, that easy. These 5.7s are bulletproof motors, man. It's awesome. So you can call or text me for delivery with your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. So this building to the right is all classic cars, guys. And I'm going to pull into the service department and get the car up on the lift. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. My name is Thomas. Hope to hear from you.